My name is Fatima Saeed and I'm a printmaker. I graduated from National College of Arts in 2001 and I'm exhibiting at Khas Gallery in Islamabad. Exhibition of prints and mixed media by myself and my husband Imran Ahmed. My work basically is about my personal experiences, and I try to interpret whatever that I feel and experience from routine to some particular experiences. And I think काम में वेरी कंटेंट तो नहीं होता, बट images में वेरिएशन होती है, because in some images I'm using architecture, in some I'm using skies, in some I'm using my own hands, and हर चीज़ का जैसे there's some images जिसमें मैं architecture use करी, I'm using Lahore or London की buildings at the same time, representing this time that I spent in UK for this residency that I got from Commonwealth's Arts and Craft Award. The fact that वहाँ जाके आपको understand होता है कि कितनी किसी और environment में जाके understand होता है कि कितनी similarities हैं yet differences हैं. And then another image that I'm using जिसमें मैं आसमान और बादल इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ, and I'm talking about the fact that there are no boundaries when you look up. I mean दुनिया में हम ज़मीन पे सिर्फ लकीरें खींच रहे होते हैं, and skies, when you look up you don't see a boundary, you don't see a division, and sky is shared by everyone जो भी ऊपर देखता है. The fact that एक और personal connotation इसकी है कि when you pray you look up, and just fact that आपके दिल में होता है कि शायद अल्लाह मेरा ऊपर है, although he's everywhere. And then I use hands, which I feel that are about different experiences जो उस time पे हो रहे होते हैं, और जिसमें they're nice, they're pleasant experiences, they are sensitive times होते हैं जो ज़िंदगी में गुजरे होते हैं. I'm using butterflies as well, जो which express I think freedom and the fact that butterflies can't be caged, and I feel a very beautiful connection, because जितनी nature में beauty है that we observe, उतनी ही इंसानों में किसी भी creation में I think अल्लाह ताला के है. And envelopes and text is another thing that is constant. I use lots of layers because I feel कि किसी experiences में सिर्फ एक, there's not one punchline, there's काफ़ी layers and layers of experiences of time होते हैं जो which makes it one memory. Another thing that I've experienced in art making is I think has to do with seeing your image yourself, because आप creation करते वक्त बहुत I think आप एक कमरे में बैठ के can't create, and I think teaching at NCA, because that's what I've been doing for the past 4 years. NCA में teach करने से, art education में involved होने से, that's what I've learned कि जितना आप सिखाते हैं, जितना आप आगे share करते हैं, उतना ही आप grow करते हैं. And that's what I've learned, that art itself cannot be created in one room. It has to be shared with people, and that's why we have when we work, we exhibit our works so that we can get feedback and get different reactions of what people think of what we have done and how they interpret it. I think that's another very important aspect of art making, because of course at the end of the day you're not producing work for yourself, you're producing for people to see and react. And I think printmaking as my medium हमेशा से has been very fascinating, because उसकी technical side मुझे बहुत fascinating लगी है. And I've always print making में रहते हुए मैंने बहुत हमेशा कोशिश की है कि मैं फ़र्क तरीक़ों से print कर सकूं, और I tend to work on prints. I mean I paint on them, I scratch them, I use photography. I use a lot of photography actually, because I think photo compositions and photo references are very important in everyday life. I think it's very encouraging to see. It's the first time I'm exhibiting in Islamabad, and it's very encouraging to see lots of people, here and encouraging you, coming here to support you. And I think it's very important. It's very important for art because जितनी ज़्यादा understanding होगी, जितनी ज़्यादा audience होगी art के लिए, उतनी ज़्यादा लोग में जो inhibitions हैं of not taking this discipline seriously or this field as ऐसी फारिग लोगों का काम है या तो जितने ज़्यादा ऑडियंस देखेगी अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेगी कितने ज़्यादा लोग इस बात को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे कि इसमें भी एजुकेशन या सिर्फ शौक से लोग काम प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते एजुकेशन प्रॉपर हासिल करनी पड़ती है एंड यू हैव टू स्पेंड लॉट्स ऑफ years to really become a practicing artist भी it's in itself very difficult because most of people I know are into art education because overall I think to create is a beautiful experience and because whatever that you create you feel really close to whatever that you've created. So creation itself in a process आप understand करना चाहिए but I think you really you're closer to the fact that Allah मियाँ कि क्या association है with his creations and that's what I've tried to connect. I try to connect with God through my work because you try to sort of experience that same feeling.